When you search for P90 guitars under $1,000, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually delivers that sweet tone and playability, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Grote Jazz Electric Guitar. Let's kick things off with the Grote Jazz Electric Guitar, priced at $188.61. Right away, the vintage sunburst finish caught my eye. If you want a solid guitar that offers great sound at an unbeatable price, this is worth a serious look. This guitar features a full-scale 25.5-inch size with a Canadian maple neck and basswood back, which means it's both sturdy and comfortable. The P90 pickups really shine here, giving you that warm, dynamic tone perfect for jazz or rock. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 382 reviews, people are loving it for its playability and how it handles various music styles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a guitar that won't just sit pretty but actually sounds fantastic, this one delivers. Now, some people complained about the setup not being perfect out of the box. Here's the thing though, for the price, a little adjustment is completely normal and can often lead to a better playing experience. This guitar is perfect for anyone looking to step up their game without breaking the bank. If you're a beginner or just want a reliable guitar for gigs, this is definitely a solid choice. But if you're looking for something that's flawless right out of the box, you might want to keep looking. Now, if the setup issue bothered you, the next one might actually be even better for a more polished experience. Product number 2, Grote Electric Guitar Semi-Hollow. Next up is the Grote Electric Guitar Semi-Hollow Body, available for $170.60. The matte green finish is not just cool looking, it's practical too. If you want a lightweight guitar that's easy to play, this one deserves your attention. The sapele wood body gives you a lightweight feel, which is perfect for long jam sessions. It also features P90 pickups that offer exceptional sound, clarity, and warmth, making it suitable for everything from blues to rock. With a 4.2-star rating from 218 reviews, users appreciate how comfortable it feels, especially on stage. Here's why this matters for you. A guitar that feels good in your hands will encourage you to play more, and that's what it's all about. Now, some players mentioned that it may lack a bit of sustain compared to heavier models. But honestly, if you're looking for a guitar that's easier to handle and move around, this is a trade-off I'd happily accept. It's perfect for those who want to explore different styles without being weighed down. This is ideal for intermediate players who want something lightweight, yet still powerful. But if you prefer a heavier body for a richer sound, you might want to pass on this one. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list has some exciting features that could be a game changer for your setup. Product number 3, Metalure P90 Soap Bar Pickup Set. Coming in at just $22.99, we have the Metalure P90 Soap Bar Guitar Pickup Set. If you're looking to upgrade your guitar without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. This set includes both the neck and bridge pickups and is ideal for replacing those worn-out parts. With a resistance of 8.22k ohms for the neck and 9.57k ohms for the bridge, you're going to get that fat, rich sound while still retaining clarity, perfect for rock and blues. It's rated 4.5 stars from 95 reviews, which is pretty impressive for a replacement part. Here's why this matters for you. If your current pickups lack punch or clarity, this set can make a noticeable difference. Now, some users noted that installation can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with guitar electronics. But I'll be real with you. If you take your time and follow instructions, it's doable. Plus, the improvement in sound quality is totally worth it. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who wants to breathe new life into their guitar. But if you're not comfortable with soldering or tinkering, you might want to consider having a professional do the installation for you. Next, if you're interested in a single pickup option, the following product might just be what you need for a more targeted upgrade. Product number 4, Metalure Humbucker Pickup Set. Next on the list is the Metalure Humbucker Guitar Pickup Set for $28.99. This is a great option if you're looking to replace or upgrade your Les Paul P90 style guitar. With a neck resistance of 7.5K and a bridge resistance of 8.0K, you're in for a treat when it comes to sound quality. The ceramic bar magnet design means you'll get a warmer tone without sacrificing brightness, making it versatile for different genres. This product holds a solid 4.3-star rating from 179 reviews, showing that it's trusted among users. Here's why this matters for you. A good set of pickups can completely transform how your guitar sounds, and these will definitely give you more dynamic range. Now, some reviewers mentioned that they had issues with fit for certain guitars. Here's the thing though, if you're using a standard Les Paul style, they should fit perfectly. Just keep in mind to double-check your measurements if you're switching from another type. This is ideal for players who want to upgrade their sound without spending a fortune. But if you're looking for something that's plug-and-play without any setup, this might not be the best choice for you. Finally, if you're looking for a high-power option, the last product on our list is an excellent choice that you won't want to miss. Product number 5, K-ish Black P90 Pickup. Last but not least, we have the K-ish Black P90 high-power Sound Dog ear-type bridge pickup for just $16.02. This one stands out for its price and performance. If you want a high-power pickup that offers a fatter sound, this is the way to go. With a resistance of 9.2K, it's designed to pack a punch while still delivering clarity. Rated 4.4 stars from 155 users, it's a popular choice for those looking to enhance their guitar's capabilities. Here's why this matters for you. If your current pickups are sounding thin or weak, this one can really add depth to your sound. Now, some users reported that it might be too powerful for certain styles. Here's the thing though. If you're into heavier music genres, you'll appreciate the extra kick. It's all about finding the right balance for your playing style. This is perfect for players who want to achieve a heavier sound without spending a lot. But if you prefer a more delicate tone, this pickup might not be suitable for you. So, to wrap things up, we've covered some great options for P90 guitars and pickups under $1,000. Each offers unique features that cater to different needs, from affordable guitars to effective pickup upgrades. To sum it all up, we've seen the Grote Jazz Electric and its solid sound, the lightweight Grote Semi-Hollow, the versatile Metaler P90 pickup set, the effective humbucker set, and the powerful K-ish pickup. There's something here for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player looking for your next upgrade. Happy playing!